you, welcome back. So today I'm going to trouble this iPhone 6 Plus. So the customer complaining that the phone does not turn on or it just shuts off. So when I plug the charger in there, and it doesn't show battery symbol. So I'm suspecting that the battery is totally dead. I have another iPhone 6 Plus right next to me. So I'm going to plug it in. And you should show the battery symbol right there. Okay? That means the battery is being charged. So unfortunately, this one doesn't show any symbol or anything like that. So I'm going to open it up real quick and inspect it. Alright, so I got my tool right here. I could feel the batteries kind of bulge through the display and the backing a little bit. So yeah, when you try to charge your phone, try to remove the case, because all the heat traps into the iPhone, and heat is not good for the battery while you're charging. So you might heat up your iPhone 6 in case there's adhesive. Just put it downward a little bit. Don't put it too much, or there's a ribbon cables. So this is the battery connector. I'm gonna get another battery and then test it out. I got two of this, I guess, iPhone 6 Plus and 7 Plus. So it'll be this one right here. This is the original one. So this one shows a symbol. Let me plug in and charge it for a couple minutes and see. So yeah, now I see the battery symbol. So the phone is trying to power on itself, but it's not enough juice, so it's gonna take a while to charge. So we're gonna come back and see. Alright, so if the phone is not turned on, that means the battery is dead. So I know that originally this battery is dead. So I'm gonna unplug it. But at least it shows a battery symbol. So yeah, I know the battery is bad, so I'm going to order a new one for the customer and change it out, and that should fix the problem. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one as always. Peace.